Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to English Listen Easy channel.
Hey everyone, we are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, I'm Emma. I'm 27 years old and I'm feeling a little sleepy today.
Sleepy? Again? I'm Jack. I'm 30 and I feel great. I had coffee. A lot of coffee.
I can see that you are talking very fast today.
That's because I am a professional podcaster.
Oh, really?
No.
Okay, listeners, today we have a very useful topic.
Yes, today we talk about how to learn English effectively.
That sounds serious.
It sounds serious, but we will make it fun. Don't worry.
Yes, we always make it fun, even when Jack says strange things.
Hey, I don't say strange things.
You said I am a professional podcaster.
That's true in my heart.
Okay. So, Jack, how did you learn English?
Good question. I learned English in school first, but honestly, I forgot many things.
Really?
Yeah, I studied grammar, but I didn't speak much.
I know that feeling.
Then one day, I started watching movies in English.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yes, but at first, I understood nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. Zero.
Oh no.
I watched one movie 3 times.
3 times?
Yes. First time, I just watched. Second time, I used subtitles. Third time, I tried to repeat sentences.
That sounds great.
It helped a lot.
I did something similar.
Really?
Yes, I listened to music in English.
Nice. What kind of music?
Pop music. I loved it. I listened every day.
Did you sing?
Yes, but very badly.
I want to hear that.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No.
Okay.
So, listeners, learning English is not only about books.
Yes, it is about real life. Movies, music, conversations.
And making mistakes.
Oh, yes. Many mistakes.
I made a very funny mistake once.
Tell me.
I wanted to say I am full after eating,
Okay.
but I said I am fool.
Oh, no.
And everyone looked at me.
That's funny.
I did not love that moment.
But now it's a great memory.
Yeah, now it's funny.
I also have a story.
Oh, tell us.
One time, I was in a restaurant.
Okay.
I wanted to order chicken,
Simple.
but I said children.
What?
Yes, I said I want fried children.
Oh, no.
The waiter looked very scared.
Of course.
Then I said, no, chicken.
That's so funny.
It was very embarrassing.
I know that feeling. So, listeners, mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
Don't be afraid.
Speak, even if it's not perfect.
Yes, just try.
So, Emma, what did you do every day to learn?
I tried to use English every day.
How?
I talked to myself.
Really?
Yes, in my room.
That's a little strange.
Maybe, but it worked.
What did you say?
Simple things like I'm cooking, I'm tired, I want coffee.
That's actually a great idea.
See, I am smart.
Sometimes.
Hey, okay, listeners, quick question for you.
Yes. Do you practice English every day?
Or only sometimes.
Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast.
Yes, share it with your friends.
Maybe your friend also wants to learn English.
Or your cat.
Your cat?
Yes, why not?
Okay, if your cat learns English, please tell us.
So, Emma, what is the best way to learn English?
I think the best way is to enjoy it.
That's true.
If you enjoy it, you learn faster.
Yes, because you don't feel bored.
Exactly.
I watched many funny videos in English.
Me too.
I laughed and I learned new words.
That's the best combination.
Learning and laughing.
Yes. Also, talking to people is very important.
Yes, real conversations.
Even short conversations.
Like, hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Simple, but useful.
Very useful.
Do you remember your first conversation in English?
Yes.
How was it?
I was very nervous.
Me too.
My hands were shaking.
Wow,
And I spoke very slowly.
that's okay.
The other person was very kind.
That helps a lot.
Yes, kind people make learning easier. Okay, Jack, let's do a quick recap.
Good idea.
So today we talked about learning English.
We talked about movies, music, and practice.
We shared funny stories.
Very funny stories.
Yes.
And we said mistakes are okay.
Yes, very important. Now, bonus tip.
Ooh, I like this part.
Here is a simple tip. Learn 5 new words every day.
Only 5?
Yes, only 5.
That's easy.
And use them in sentences.
That's a great idea.
Small steps every day.
Big progress later.
Okay, listeners, it's time to say goodbye.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
And we hope you learned something new.
Before you go, we have a question.
Yes, what do you do to learn English?
Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And don't order fried children.
Jack!